URL shortener is one of the things that marketers use a lot whenever sharing a link. It can either be on social media or running ads, but then URL shortener is one of the best. Even for SMS marketing, the guys that do SMS marketing, they know that they use URL shortener. When you use Twitter, you know that you most of the time use URL shortener because there is maximum ways that you need to use on Twitter. One of the platform that offers a URL shortener, it is Builderall. And if you don't know what Builderall is the all-in-one platform that has got over 40 marketing tools. And the tools they keep on adding up. I'm talking about email marketing software, website builder, app builder, e-commerce magento, magazine builder, booking builder. There's just a lot that you can build with Builderall, and one of the things that you can do, what I'm talking about today, is the URL shortener. If you've been looking for URL shortener, Builderall is the best place to go for shortening your URL. Stay with me and I'm gonna show you how you can shorten your URL with Builderall, and it's so easy. First thing first, you wanna make sure that you open an account with Builderall. I'll drop the links in the description. Make sure that you use the first link in the description to open an account on Builderall to start shortening your URL. So I'm gonna leave the links that are gonna give you free trial on Builderall. Right now, once you are in, you wanna make sure that you go to URL shortener here. If you don't see it here on your dashboard, you wanna go to install more tools. Once you click on install more tools, you can come here and search for it and just say URL shortener. When you type URL, here it is already on my side. It's installed. Now once you've installed it, it's gonna show on the home page. Once it shows on the home page, you can go here on enter, and it's gonna direct you to where you're gonna shorten all your long URLs, and you can start sharing them everywhere with everyone whenever you want. Right now, as you can see here, already I've shortened some few URLs. So you can see here, these are some long URL. Imagine sharing this young URL, but with Builderall short URL, it has helped me to kind of keep this URL short and share them anywhere. The good thing about this, you can even customize your URL. Right, first thing first, let me show you a record. I'm just gonna take this one here already because it's safe and it is long. And then I'm just gonna say, so you wanna make sure you come here, just say, let me do this, just gonna shorten this one here, audienceconnect.com, and click on shorten URL. The reason it does this because you need to use the HTTPS format. Right now we are good to go. I click on shorten URL, just click again. Alright, URL successfully created, and it should show here after all is done. Now here is the URL that we have shortened, and as you can see here, if I copy this URL here, it's gonna take me to this one here. Now if you wanna change this ID and you wanna kind of customize it, you can come here on settings. Right, once you come here on settings, I'm just gonna add the title and say audience. Right, because the point is to keep this as short as possible. Now after I've added this audience, it's gonna replace this one here. Right, just gonna save. No, I'm wrong. It's gonna give it a name. If I wanna replace this, I should add the audience here. Yes, just gonna give this the title. So you can just add any name here that you have been used on this account. Right, now after that is done, and a good thing about Builderall URL shortener, you can also see some stats. Right, for instance, if I were to click here on the dashboard, I want to see how many people use this URL, which is cool. I can see right cool. So if I got about like 16, which is nice, it kind of gives you like a nice dashboard to see how many people actually clicked on your URL, which is actually great. One of the best that I like about Builderall URL shorteners, that it gives you also stats right now after you've created your URL and you kind of customized it, right? You kind of customized it here. I see here it still shows the ID. Let me try do this again. Let's do this audience. Just say right here it is the URL, and if I were to copy this and paste this, and you'll see it's gonna take me to the actual landing page. And here it is, just like that. That's how easy it is to create, or to shorten the long URL that you have with Builderall short URL. Builderall short URL. Make sure that you check that out, utilize it if you are a Builderall user already, and yeah, keep safe. This was the video of today. If you want to learn more about Builderall, make sure that you check out our playlist on Builderall, and make sure that you also get our course, the course that is out about the traffic sources that are gonna help you convert any offer and get as many leads as possible. You'll find the course. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. The course is out. It's called Audience Secret Traffic Sources. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video, and keep safe. I'm out.